Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 12th of November, 2024. Indian equity indices ended on weaker note, with Nifty below 23900 on November 12 amid selling across the sectors. At close, the Sensex was down 820.97 points or 1.03% at 78,675.18, and the Nifty was down 257.80 points or 1.07% at 23,883.50. Biggest losers on the Nifty were Britannia Industries, HDFC Bank, NTPC, Asian Paints and Bharat Electronics, while gainers included Trent, HCL Technologies, Sun Pharma, Infosys and Reliance Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of MINDA surged over 8% following a robust Q2 financial year 2025 earnings report, showing solid growth in both net profit and revenue. The stock gained 46% year-to-date, far outpacing the Nifty 50's 10% rise in the same period. For Q2 financial year 2025, MINDA's consolidated net profit climbed 23% quarter-on-quarter and 15% year-on-year to 245.2 rupees crore, while revenue from operations grew 11% quarter-on-quarter and 17% year-on-year, reaching 4,244.8 rupees crore. EBITDA rose by 20% year-on-year to 482 rupees crore, with an EBITDA margin expansion to 11.36% from 11.09% in the year-ago period. In terms of operational highlights, MINDA initiated production at its new greenfield plant in Farrukhnagar and has plans to shift its Manesar facility by Q3 financial year 2027. The company is also poised to commence operations at its four-wheeler lighting plant in Pune by Q3 financial year 2025. RATEGAIN Travel Technologies shares took a beating on November 12, plummeting as much as 12 after brokerage firm Kotak Institutional Equities downgraded its rating on the stock to a reduce from the previous ad call, citing lofty valuations. Furthermore, the sell-off in the stock today was also triggered by heavy trading volumes as 10 lakh shares already changed hands so far, higher than the one-month daily traded average of 3 lakh shares. While RATEGAIN reported a decent Q2, marked by positive revenue growth and margin expansion, the company still lowered its financial year 2025 revenue growth guidance to 15% from the earlier 20%. The guidance cut reflects a mix of cyclical and structural factors, including the loss of a major mid-market hotel chain, 4% of revenues, in the MarTech segment due to M&A activities, weaker order bookings amid client decision-making delays, a normalization of travel demand in the US, and pricing pressures affecting large contracts in the DARA segment. Jubilant FOODWORKS shares surged over 6% on November 12 after the QSR operator reported its earnings show for the July-September. The Domino's Pizza operator reported a consolidated net profit of 66.53 rupees crore in the second quarter ended September 30, 2024, down 31.55% from the year-ago period, against 97.2 rupees crore in the corresponding quarter of the last fiscal year. Revenue from operations in the second quarter stood at 1,954.72 rupees crore, as against 1,368.63 rupees crore in the year-ago period, the filing added. Jubilant FOODWORKS' positive LFL growth in Q2 financial year 2025 of 2.8% has set it apart in a challenging market. The company's focus on delivery and innovative strategies has fueled this success, said Nuvama Institutional Equities. Shares of HG Infra Engineering tanked 5% on November 12 after the company reported a 16% year-on-year drop in net profit, coming in at 80.7 rupees crore. In the same period last year, the company recorded 96.1 rupees crore in net profit, according to a regulatory filing. Revenue from operations declined by 5.5% to 902.4 rupees crore, compared to 954.5 rupees crore a year earlier. At the operational level, EBITDA saw a slight dip, down 0.3% to 219.5 rupees crore from 220.1 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2024. The EBITDA margin, however, improved to 24.3% from 23% in the previous year. EBITDA refers to earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. In August, HG Infra secured the lowest bid for a road upgrade project in Gujarat, which spans a 10.63-kilometer stretch along National Highway 47. The 781.11 rupees crore bid was lower than the estimated project cost of 883.2 for rupees crore set by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. The project will be developed under the hybrid annuity model, with a construction timeline of around 2.5 years. State Trading Corporation of India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 168.41 points with a change of 15.87% and is trading with a net volume of around 455.559 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 155.44, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 57.60. Kyokul Limited in daily time frame is trading around 292.65 points with a change of 12.19% and is trading with a net volume of around 37.789 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 362.91, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 61.98. Newland Laboratories Limited in daily time frame is trading around 15,329.50 points with a change of 11.08% and is trading with a net volume of around 16.34 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 14,386.76, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 60.08. For the stock recommendation we have, L&T Technology Services Limited looks good and can be bought at 5,279 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 5,200 rupees and a target of 5,380 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.